Hey, I'm Mike from musicradiocreative.com, and in this video we'll look at Apple AU effects inside Adobe Audition. Okay, here we are in the multi-track. I've got a voiceover.
No borders, no limits.
And usually I would apply my usual processing here, but did you know if you're on a Mac, you also have access in the effects menu to AU, Apple, and a load of Apple effects that you can also find in places like GarageBand and Logic Pro. So let's take a look today at the AU Bandpass. And you get this lovely, clean Bandpass filter that Apple have designed. And this is just a simple bandpass on your EQ. So let's listen to how it affects the voice.
No borders, no limits. In the music universe.
So you can choose a narrow frequency to focus in on, or if you like, bring that width out.
No borders, no limit.
And you can bring it out, so you could kind of do something like this, and that would be, if I move this just up ever so slightly to here, that's kind of a low band, or sorry, a high band filter.
No borders, no limits. In the music universe.
So there's plenty you can do there. You can move it around, and you just get a nice clean feedback here on this Apple effect. So the bandpass filter, use it by going into Effects, and then you want to go to AU, Apple, AU bandpass to access that particular effect.